Hello friends, how are you all? Today, let's take a look at the ABCD flashcards. If you are interested in purchasing these flashcards, you can download them from the link provided in the description box. Feel free to buy or try some of my other free and fun resources from Tpt or Classful. Links to both of these websites and my stores are also provided in the description box. The steps to create your account on these platforms are also included in the description box. You can follow the procedure to download these flashcards. Don't forget to leave me a review after using my educational resources. Your feedback helps me improve and create better resources for you. I want to thank you so much for your support. British and Indian English flashcards are also included in this flashcard set. Thanks for watching. Bye.